The Intelli-Arc app is available on Android and Apple to download from their respective app stores. Your mobile device will need to have Bluetooth capability in order to pair to your Intelli-Arc. After installing the app, open the app, allow permissions for location and Bluetooth access, and complete the form. Turn on the Intelli-Arc's battery mode by pushing the blue switch on top of the Intelli-Arc towards the battery slot. The power LED should be solid and the Bluetooth LED blinking. If it does not power on, check the 9-volt battery and the fuse to see if they need to be replaced. The blinking Bluetooth LED means that the Intelli-Arc is not paired to a mobile device. Once the mobile device and Intelli-Arc are successfully paired, the LED will turn solid. Open the app. If you do not see your powered-on Intelli-Arc listed in the available devices screen, refresh by swiping down until the Intelli-Arc device appears. When your device appears, tap it and the app will request a pairing code. You will need to input the pairing code 258456. You will not need to input the code again unless you're using a different phone or Intelli-Arc device. After inputting the pairing code, the Bluetooth LED will turn solid, and the app will take you to the dashboard screen. You have now successfully paired your Intelli-Arc to your mobile device. In the next video, you will learn how to install the built app and install the Intelli-Arc on a circuit.